Welcome to educational channel of sureshbhattclasses, quantitative aptitude video on percent. Please watch all my videos on percent in which I have solved all types of questions with conventional method to clear the concept as well as by shortcut methods. These videos will help you to prepare for various competitive exams and placement interviews. To learn how to calculate percent fast, please watch my video on percent in playlist of fast calculation tricks. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the questions based on votes in an election. As usual, we will assume the total number of votes equal to X or 100 or 100% as the case may be. You will learn this by solving few questions. Let us start the questions. The question is, in an election, the winning candidate gets 57.5% votes against his opponent and wins by 5,775 votes. Find the total votes polled. The winning candidate gets 57.5%. The defeated candidate therefore gets 100 minus 57.5, that is 42.5% votes. And the difference between the two candidates is 15% votes. 57.5 minus 42.5 equal to 15%. So the difference between the two candidates is 15% vote, and it has been given that the winner wins by the margin of 5,775 votes. It means that 15% equal to 5,775 votes. Therefore, the total votes, which is 100%, is equal to 5,775 multiplied by 100 and divided by 15. 15 cancels 5,775 for 385. Thus, the total number of polled votes is equal to 38,500 votes. This way we can solve the question easily. The next question is, in an election between two candidates, one gets 46% votes and is defeated by 328 votes. Find the total number of votes. Easy question, just like the last question. In this question, the defeated candidate gets 46% votes. Therefore, the winning candidate gets 54% vote. As out of the total 100% vote, the defeated candidate gets 46% vote. Therefore, the winning candidate gets 54% vote. And the difference between them is 8% votes. And it is given that the defeated candidate is defeated by 328 votes. It means that the value of 8% vote is equal to 328 votes. Therefore, the total number of votes, which is 100%, this is equal to 328 multiplied by 100 divided by 8. And 8 divides 328 for 41 times. This gives total number of votes equal to 4,100. 41 multiplied by 100. Easy question. Our question is, between two candidates, one gets 68% votes out of total 6,400 polled votes. By what margin did he win the election? Winning candidate gets 68% votes. Therefore, the defeated candidate gets 32% vote, that is 100 minus 68 is equal to 32% votes. And difference between the two candidates is 36% votes. 68 minus 32 is 36. It is given that the total votes were 6,400 and we have to find the 36% vote, which is the margin by which the winning candidate defeats the opponent. So we will find the 36% of 6,400. This is 36% is 36 divided by 100 multiplied by 6400. The 0 of denominator cancels the 0 of numerator. Now this is 64 multiplied by 36. This gives 2304 votes. Thus, the margin by which the winning candidate wins the election is 2304 votes. Simple and easy question. Practice lot of questions to understand the concept of percent in election votes. We go to the next question, and the question is, in an election between two candidates, one gets 57% votes and wins by margin of 2940 votes. Find the number of votes the defeated candidate gets. In earlier questions, we solved votes of winning candidates or the margin by the winning candidate wins or total number of votes. Similarly, this question is for finding the votes of defeated candidates. This we can solve even without calculating the total number of votes. The winning candidate gets 57% votes. 100% is the total number of votes. 100 minus 57 is 43%. Are the votes gained by defeated candidate, and the difference between the winning candidate and defeated candidate is 57 minus 43 is 14%, and the difference of votes is 2940 votes. It means that 14% votes is equal to 2940 votes, and we have to calculate the votes gained by defeated candidate, which is 43%. We can directly calculate it. 14% is equal to 2940 votes. Therefore, 43% votes equal to 2940 multiplied by 43 divided by 14. 14 cancels 2940 for 210 times, and on multiplying 210 to 43, we put 0 of 210 first, and 21 multiplies 43. 21 times 3 is 63. We carry 6. 21 times 4 is 84. Plus 6 is 90. 9030 votes. This way we can calculate even without calculating the total number of votes. Simple and easy question. Do lot of practice. Our next question is, in an election, A and B are two candidates. A wins the election getting 58% of valid votes. 15% votes were invalid. If total votes were 56,000, find how many votes polled for each candidate. In previous questions, there were no invalid votes. In this question, 15% votes are invalid. So we have to consider the invalid votes. Now, 58% votes are in favor of winning candidate. It means that 42% votes are in favor of his opponent who is defeated in the election. We straightway calculate the votes of each candidate. 56,000 votes were total votes and 15% were invalid. It means that 85% votes are valid vote. So we take 85% of 56,000 votes, which is 56,000 multiplied by 85 upon 100. And of these votes, the winning candidate gets 58% vote. So we multiply it by 58 upon 100. This is the votes of winning candidate. The two zeros of denominator of 100 is cancelled by two zeros of numerator of 56,000, and 1 zero of denominator of 100 cancels the 1 zero of numerator of 56,000. Now 5 divides 85 for 17 times and 10 for 2 times, and 2 divides 58 for 29 times. These are the votes gained by winning candidate. Similarly, we can find the votes of the defeated candidate. 56,000 multiplied by 85 upon 100, which is valid votes, multiplied by 42 upon 100, which is 42%, which the defeated candidate gets. We divide two zeros of denominator of 100 with two zeros of numerator of 56,000, one zero of denominator of 100 with one zero of numerator of 56,000. 5 divides 85 for 17 times and 10 for 2 times, and 2 divides 42 for 21 times. 56 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 21 gives 19,992. Thus, the winning candidate gets 27,608 votes and the defeated candidate gets 19,992 votes of the total valid votes. We go to the next question, and the question is, in an election 11% voters did not vote. The winning candidate secured 47% of total votes and wins the election by 900 votes. Find the total number of enrolled voters. Here we have to give attention to the 47% of total votes and not the polled votes. So we have to be careful about it, and we can solve the question because this is very easy question. 100% is total vote, minus 11% did not vote, minus 47% the winner gets, winner. And how much the candidate who is defeated gets? This is 100 minus 11 is 89, 89 minus 47 is 42. So 42% votes the defeated candidate gets, and the difference between the winner and the defeated candidate is 5%, and 5% is equal to 900 votes because the winner wins by the margin of 900 votes. Therefore 100% votes, 100%, if 5% is 900, then 100% will be 20 times of 900 because 100 is 20 times of 5. So this gives 20 times 900 is 18,000. So the total number of votes is 18,000 votes. This was very easy question. Do lot of practice by solving many number of questions to become expert in percent questions. We will be solving few more questions on votes in an election in next video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.